Today, I'm going to teach you how to mark messages as important in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to ensure that critical information stands out in busy chat threads, making sure your team members don't miss something urgent or time-sensitive. To get started, look at the left navigation panel in Microsoft Teams. You'll see several options there, and you want to click on Chat. This will open up your chat area where all your conversations are stored. Now, take a moment to browse through your list of conversations and find the specific person or group chat where you want to send your important message. This could be a one-on-one conversation with a colleague or a group chat with your entire team. Once you've selected the right chat, direct your attention to the message composition area at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a text field where you normally type your messages. Right next to this text field, look for a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to additional messaging options that Teams offers. Go ahead and click on that plus icon and a menu will pop up with various features you can add to your message. From this menu, you need to select Set Delivery Options. This option gives you control over how your message is delivered and displayed to recipients. Clicking on it will open a small window with different delivery settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled Important. Click on this option to enable it. By marking your message as important, you're essentially flagging it with a visual indicator that tells recipients this message requires their attention more than a standard chat message. Now that you've set your message to be marked as important, return to the text field and type out your message. Take your time to craft it clearly and concisely, making sure your important information is easy to understand. When you're satisfied with what you've written, look for the Send button, which is typically represented by a paper airplane icon or simply the word Send. Click it to deliver your message. Your message will now appear in the chat with a special indicator showing it's been marked as important. Recipients will see this visual cue, which helps your message stand out from the regular flow of conversation, ensuring it gets the attention it deserves. And there you have it. You've successfully sent an important message in Microsoft Teams that won't get lost in the shuffle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.